It's like your body is taking a big stretch, but for your lungs. Imagine there's a little air balloon inside you, and it gets a bit empty sometimes. Yawning might help fill it up. But scientists believe that yawning serves a few important purposes. Firstly, yawning helps your brain cool down. Isn't that amazing? Your brain works hard every day, doing homework, playing, or even thinking about what to have for dinner. All that activity makes